I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play League of Legends on your computer. First, navigate to the official League of Legends website using your web browser. Locate the Play for Free or Download button and click it to begin downloading the game client. The initial download is about 9 to 10 gigabytes, so ensure you have a stable internet connection. Once downloaded, run the installer and follow the simple on-screen instructions to install the game onto your system. This process usually takes around 15 to 20 minutes, depending on your computer's speed. After installing the game, launch the League of Legends client from your desktop. You will see an option to create an account if you don't already have one. Click this button to start the registration process. You'll need to provide a valid email address, your date of birth, and create a unique username. Remember to choose a strong, memorable password to protect your account. Once all details are entered and verified, your new Riot Games account will be ready for action, allowing you to log in and access the game. Once logged in, take a moment to explore the League of Legends client. You'll find sections like Play to start games, Store for in-game purchases, and Profile to view your stats. We highly recommend playing through the in-game tutorial first. This guided experience teaches you essential mechanics such as moving your champion, attacking enemy units, and using your unique abilities. It's a great way to get comfortable with the controls and understand basic game objectives before jumping into a live match with other players. To start your first game, click the Play button in the client and select a game mode, such as Summoner's Rift for a classic 5 vs 5 experience. You will then enter Champion Select, where you choose your character. During the game, your champion's abilities are typically mapped to the Q, W, E, and R keys on your keyboard. The key is often used for auto-attacking, and your mouse controls movement and targeting. Practice these controls to become proficient, and enjoy your journey on the Rift.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.